Stop making window AC support a drilling project. Top Shelf TSB-2438 is the removable default, while King ACB80H saves money with a drilled install. Choose by drilling, seasonal removal, weight, and budget. Buy the Top Shelf TSB-2438 if you're renting, moving often, or storing your window AC between seasons. It avoids sill drilling, and its adjustable, tool-free setup makes removal and reinstallation easier. It suits single or double-hung windows that measure 38 inches wide or less. It's far pricier than King, and the directions can make window positioning unclear. Skip it if lowest cost is your priority or drilling doesn't concern you. For a budget drilled install, choose the King ACB80H. It's a durable, adjustable support for homeowners with an AC weighing 80 pounds or less. You save substantially over the Top Shelf, but installation takes drilling, several fasteners, and exterior window access. You'll also need your own drill, bits, and wrenches. Its single center support makes sliding the AC into place less convenient than a wider two-rail design. Skip it if drilling isn't allowed, seasonal removal matters, or your unit exceeds 80 pounds. Quick split. Renters and seasonal movers get the Top Shelf TSB-2438. Budget-focused homeowners who can drill get the King ACB80H, provided their AC weighs 80 pounds or less. Before buying, confirm your window style and width, the AC's weight, drilling permission, exterior access, required tools, and seasonal storage plans. Start with the Top Shelf TSB-2438 if you rent, move often, or remove the AC seasonally. Switch to the King ACB80H when saving money matters more and you're ready to drill. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.